Hey guys, how's it going? It's Rob Avis with Verge Permaculture.ca. Today we're at Container, which is an incredible site, an urban demonstration site. We've got permaculture going on here. It's an urban art pop-up and just a really cool place. And we're having the potluck, the Calgary Permaculture Potluck, which happens on the third Saturday of every month. Typically it happens at Winston Heights, which is in the northeast of Calgary. And in the following video that I'm going to show you, we're going to interview a bunch of people that come to these potlucks and why they think it's important.
I think that Permaculture Calgary potlucks are really important because one of the most important objectives of permaculture is to bring community together. And when we share food and stories, it builds friendships and, it keeps us together almost like we're a team, even though we live in different parts of the city and even on farms. But I think it's really, really important for social structure and for the health of all individuals in a city or any area, to have a way of getting together and sharing food, breaking bread. I found out about the potlucks because I follow Permaculture Calgary Guild on Facebook, and they always post any event there. I've been to multiple events, and this is actually my fourth potluck this year, and I think they are absolutely great. And they're well advertised. They're also on the newsletter for Permaculture Calgary. We send out a monthly newsletter. So
the Permaculture Guild potlucks are important because they invite community, and community is important. And I'm lacking community in my life, so I need to come out and find my people.
Hi, I'm Tom, and I've been a Permie since 2015. And Calgary Permaculture potlucks are important because they allow us to reinforce our skill building and build community and get to know each other, make friends, and enjoy good food.
If you're interested in coming to some of these potlucks, check out the Verge website, check out the Calgary Permaculture website. I'll leave the notes for the potlucks and information for the potlucks in the show notes below. And I'd love to see you come out to one of these potlucks. You don't have to be a member, although we highly encourage it. You'll come out and meet some incredible people doing really cool projects. It'll be well worth your time, and at the very least, you're gonna get an amazing meal. So come on out to the next potluck. I'd love to meet you.
My name is Kelly Schuler, and I've been involved since the beginning of this Container and Sunnyside project as the project manager. So I've been involved since the beginning of the project and was project manager on the build to help develop the friendships and the resources for us to build this. And one of the important contributions was this area where you see rig matting, so that we could have a space like a courtyard amidst containers. And one of my first pitches was to Lisa, president of the Permaculture Guild, and she's been a really avid supporter and has brought many people to the site who are committed to beautify the site with the gardens and grow food and really build community in this space. So I'm happy to be here tonight and celebrate that and the people who are interested in permaculture or have more experience, varying levels of experience, like you, perhaps.
Can I get a shot of your dog?
Sure.
What's the name of this dog?
This is Osito.
Osito.
Yeah.
Nice.
My name is Lisa Patterson, and I am the president of the Permaculture Calgary Guild. We're here at Container for our monthly potluck get-together with Verge. It's a nice collaboration to bring people together to share food and create community. We're at the Container site, so it's a little change of venue. This site has been on this space for 5 years, and it's an attempt to animate some of the vacant lots in Calgary and bring people out. There's not a day that goes by when I'm down here that there aren't people down here taking pictures, walking through the garden, picking food, hanging out, and actually communicating face to face. So we're looking forward to a good turnout. The weather is kind of, well, hopefully this isn't the new normal with the smoke, but it's going to be a good night nonetheless.
My name is Plum, and the Calgary Permaculture Guild and potlucks are a great place to continue the conversation and bring together different people with different experience but similar values on how they want to treat their land and spend their time.
Hey, so my name's Dakota Cohen. I'm a fourth generation farmer from central Alberta, and I've been interested in permaculture for about 6-7 years now. Our farm's been organic for 30 years, but after integrating permaculture into our farming systems, it's really taken us to the next level. And one of the things that I really love about permaculture is the community aspect. And living out in the middle of nowhere, it's really hard to connect with folks that are on the same page as us. And so I try to come out to these community events whenever I can to meet like-minded folks, talk about all the amazing work that they're doing, and to share a good meal.
Hopefully you found that inspiring, and I hope to see you at one of the future potlucks. If you need more information, get in touch, leave comments below. And if you find these videos useful, hit the subscribe button, and if you hit it again, you get notified when new videos come up. And I'd love it if you gave me a like, because it really helps our channel to track. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.